Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll have the unboxing of the Tagry X08 and of course these are true wireless earbuds. And of course I'll have the review separately. Now there are plenty of earbuds on the market, but of course these come in at a very affordable price. Plus what I like about them is that they come very highly rated in terms of a lot of people have been buying these. And of course I have picked up a pair using my own money. So this is going to be my unboxing. And of course, like the box, I went with the white version. So as you can see here, it's identified as being white. So next, it has wireless charging. And of course, it has an LED and it has a portable charging case that comes with the earbuds. And of course, it packs a lot of features for what you get. Comes FCC compliant. The back of the device, you can actually see the features. So it gives the product name, which is the X08, the input voltage, battery capacity, and the telephone number to contact them. All right, so let's go. And of course it's still sealed, so we're gonna unseal this. All right, so if you have a pair of these or you have ever heard about them, I'll put a link in the description so you can actually get your pair if you're interested in a pair of these. They cost less than USD 30. I think it's about $24. And of course, as I said, they come very highly rated. A lot of people have bought these. All right, so it comes well sealed inside of this box. I'll have to get a tool. All right, okay. All right, so here we go. All right, so we're gonna look at, all right, so we're gonna open the box up. All right, so it slides right out, which is very nice. And of course, there you go. I like this. They're doing something like Apple in terms of presentation. It says true wireless earbuds and it says open here. So of course, we're gonna lift. Wow, all right. So far, I'm liking the entire setup. And it says X08 right here. And this is basically the breakdown. It shows you how to use them. It shows you how the tips work and everything. It's very concise. And of course, it shows you how to pair your device with your phone. So I'll be doing tutorials on all of those. And of course, it has gesture control, as you can see, and all of the cool features that you would want. All right, so let's look at the earbuds themselves. All right, it comes with this spongy material, so you know it's protected during transport. All right, so here are the earbuds. And the first thing I like about these guys is that they are very decent weight. Much weightier than I would have thought, but of course that is a good thing. And it comes with this plastic sleeve right here, so I'm going to open it up. All right, so it comes right off, and in my opinion I think the white is the best looking color of all the set. So you can check it out yourself in the light. As you can see there, that's where the LED is gonna be. There you go. All right, and of course guys, if you're liking what you're seeing, do comment below. All right, so here is a very small piece of paper right there, and you can see the back and the Type-C charge port right here. All right, so I'm not sure if these are charged, and this is just an unboxing. I'll do the setup video in a while. And there you go, they're actually charged, and you can actually see the LED 100%. So these are the earbuds, and you can hear the snap of the cover. All right, and you can see the buds themselves, and of course the case is at 100, and the buds themselves are, as you can see, they're charging. All right, so that's how it's set up. All right, so I'm going to end the unboxing here. If you like this, you can go ahead, and of course you can comment below. And your feedback will be loved. I'll also put the link to the Tagry X08s. So see you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye.